I did the music before we said cut. Do you know? No. How about you, E? No. How about you? R? Exactly. Where did the Where did the R go? Hey guys. Whatever. Take 2. Cut. What's this writing on you? Oh, I'm a sticky letter. A sticky letter? Andre. Yeah, I stick to everything. Watch. Huh? Oh! Wow, that's really cool. And also take 3. Cut. There's only 4 colors, just like the old Acer logo. Which one is the real? I'll get rid of those. Take 4. Cut. You're holding a radio. Oh, what radio? Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. You said take 5. Take 5. Take 5. Cut. Someone's peeking. Who's that? I'm sure I'm not the producer. Oh, and I didn't hear a producer. And also take cut the season faded. Guys, I didn't mean to draw, but the scene's about to. Pop with banana icy. It's okay. We'll wash it and then we'll take 6. Okay, we washed the word and myself and the producer. Now we have to wash the word acer. I'll do it. Oh, thanks 2048. Take 6. Okay, so far so good. Nothing's about. Where did the acer go? That's bad. Take 7. Cut. Someone peeking. Who is that? A TVO, not the producer. I didn't hear another producer take 8. Cut. You're different colors. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Oh, take 9. Cut. Why is there an oval bond? Happy our first blooper. Wow, I didn't hear the first blooper. And there's a letter. Dear Acer, you did the best. 10 takes. Left Windows 96. Wow, it was beautiful. And see you in the next video.